Today on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, I'm going to explain to you what an IntelliCoil is with the Stearns & Foster mattress. I'm going to have my mattress prince, Peter, first show you an example of what laying on a traditional Innerspring looks like. As you can see the difference here, this is just a straight up Innerspring. On this IntelliCoil, we have a smaller coil on the inside, and I'm going to explain that technology to you. So first, we have Peter laying here on a traditional Innerspring mattress. As you can see, we have a little bit of a concaveness down the center. There's not a lot of support there. This is a pillow top mattress, so he is going to have a little more indentation there. But let's try out the Stearns & Foster mattress. So on this example, I have Peter, my mattress prince, laying on a Stearns & Foster that has the exclusive IntelliCoil. With this mattress, you would envision this all the way across your entire mattress. On your head and foot, you're typically probably just barely hitting the top of this Innerspring, but when we get to our lower third, we're getting deep enough where we carry the most weight to hit that inner coil, which is giving you more support. And thus, if you look at Peter, if you remember the example of the last mattress, we had a lot more of an impression here. He's pretty much as flat as a board. So that's IntelliCoil technology. Tune in next week with Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.